Hi, Wyatt here. Today, I'd like to, do an experiment with, one of the, common things that you see out there if you watch high voltage videos. If you watch high voltage videos, you often come across a microwave oven transformer. Well, I got my hands on a microwave, and sure as crap, did I get one of these babies right here. Alright. That right there is a microwave oven transformer. Now you'll mostly know these things to output not high frequency, but high current, very high in current. The output of these is very high in current. Probably like 5 amps, I'm pretty sure. But this one, I'll hook it to my normal power supply. The output of it is high frequency, low current. It is so high in frequency, it makes a shrill noise when you arc it. Oh, and it doesn't arc to the body of the transformer. It arcs right here on the circuit board. So I'm gonna hook this 950 volts into my primary coil, and that'll make the magnetic field on the secondary, and it'll output right here, and the other end's connected to the ground of the transformer. What is holding this thing up? Alright, this thing's heavy. If you ever get one of these, don't expect to just like pick it up. These things are heavy. They're like, I don't know how many pounds. Anyways, let me hook it up and show y'all the arcs. So I'll be right back. Alright, I've got the wirings hooked up. And I'm gonna hook this thing right to the output right here. And remember, this thing still outputs 2000 volt. Well, actually, I don't know how many volts this one outputs right now, but I don't want to blow up my voltage meter trying to measure it. So let's look at them arcs. Turn the lights off. I don't know if y'all will be able to see this. Let me raise the power supply up. And the transformer is obviously still there. Alright. Let's arc this. Oh, and by the way, the transformer won't hum, so don't expect that noise. Alright, I'm gonna move the daggum circuit. Alright. Whew, I don't want to touch the output. I was touching the output. Alright. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! No! Oh crap! Failed circuit. Alright, test number 2. See, no sparks off the core of the transformer. When I bring it down here, you hear that shrilling noise? Oh, that's how high the frequency is. This electricity still is aggressive, so I am being careful. In fact, I should probably use a pair of pliers. Oh shoot. Alright, let me get my little bitty multi-tool out. And then turn it on. Nope. Alright, let's turn it on. Ow! What the frick? I'm getting arcs out of the daggum switch. They were jumping to me. Alright. Let's... I don't know if y'all can see that or hear it. Yo. Yeah. Hear that high pitch shrill? Alright. Now, of course, the biggest test in my series is the wireless energy test. Right, so let's turn on my lights off. Or at least the overhead light. Let's leave the ultimate Christmas tree light on. Hold up. No, it's not lighting up. This thing generates a very low field, I'm guessing. Is it even on? Oh, sure as crap is it on. Oh, what the? I didn't overload a light bulb. Oh my god. It's a light show. Alright. There was an experiment with a micro. Oh shoot, hold up. Let me plug the Christmas tree back in. And that light. Alright, that was an experiment with a microwave oven transformer, my power supply, and there we go. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. This has been Wyatt, and that's my high voltage capacitor. Goodbye.